Morning, guys. It is now Wednesday. Yesterday we did not have a whole lot going on. Didn't get anything filmed, and still today on Wednesday we don't have a whole lot going on. We're going to be hauling some dirt again. It is 7 a.m. Still dark. We are heading to the job. The last couple weeks have been slow. We have digs in the pipeline, but we are waiting for permits and stuff like that, so we haven't been able to do a whole lot. It is the 30th of October, so I'm hoping after this election and stuff we will hopefully start getting back to normal. I would say a lot of the housing market has slowed down the closer we get to the election. So I'm really hoping that things will pick back up. And we've gone from 20 to 30 digs every week to 3 or 4 maybe. So I'm not going to get into politics. Don't really want to get into that whole sphere of things and people from either side jumping on, telling their opinion. Just all I gotta say to that is I hope you go vote, period. Go vote for whoever you think is gonna benefit you in the long term. We have 6 days, November, probably 6 days left, and hopefully all that will be in our past and we will be rocking and rolling again. So like I said, today we'll get a little footage of us loading dirt. We're just hauling dirt off of another lot. I think we only have one dump truck, so probably not gonna be too eventful of a day, but didn't get any footage yesterday, so I figured I would try to get something today. So stay tuned. We will check back in once the sun comes up and we get to the job site and get started. We made it. It is now daylight, guys. We have less dirt than I originally thought. Probably only have about 10 loads. We've already hauled 2. I think there's another lot that we have to get rid of a little bit of dirt, so hopefully it's not too early of a day again, but gotta do what we gotta do. Nothing we can do about it. So once they get back, the truck gets back, I will check back in. We are looking at another short day. Hopefully work starts to pick up.